Hi, hello friends, I am Nayak and welcome to my WordPress YouTube channel. So this video is going to be very important and it's going to be very helpful for you. So in this video I am going to teach you about new scrolling widget. This is a new scrolling widget. So if you want to show some very important news on your website or some of your affiliate blog posts or anything related to your website on a particular place, then this new scrolling website is going to help you. So it is like updating your users with or updating your visitors with the latest information. For that you need this new scrolling widget. So if you visit websites like this is IIT Kharagpur, and you have vertical news scrolling widget, and here you have horizontal news scrolling widget, and you can find here, see, this is a vertical news scrolling and this is horizontal news scrolling widget. So latest events or updates, okay. And here also this is my university, Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies. I studied here, I completed my mechanical engineering, okay. And see, here they have this vertical news scrolling widget, vertical news scrolling, and here horizontal news scrolling widget. So that's really great, isn't it? That's really great. And it helps you to keep your users or visitors updated with latest news and regarding your website. So this is what we are going to cover in our video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create this new scrolling widget. Now come on, let's get started. So first of all, let us get back to our WordPress dashboard, our control panel. So guys, this is our website. This is a demo website, that's why it's not looking great, but the websites I create, my for my clients visitor websites are really great. And now we are going to, now this is our WordPress control board, and here we need a plugin to create news scrolling widget, okay. So that will offer a feature called news scrolling or content sticker, that kind of widget they will provide. For that you need a plugin. So come to plugins, add new, and this is the plugin directory, and WordPress plugin directory. You can find bunch of plugins here. So search Elementor, then it will show you Elementor add-on. See guys, this is Elementor and this is Elementor add-ons. So I have already installed and activated it. So I recommend you to install and activate it to create this new scrolling widget on your WordPress website. Okay, it is very easy. So once you have installed and activated it, and get back to your website, okay, get back to your website, then on top you will see this edit with Elementor, okay. You have to click that. Okay, just a second, wait. Okay, anyway, it is opened. Now let me remove this, delete this. So now I want to have a new scrolling widget that shows my latest posts, okay, on my homepage, okay, in the beginning of all the content. So for that, here on the left side you have widget search bar. There's search content sticker, okay. Content sticker, where is that? Sticky video, product content, post, content sticker, yeah, content ticker. Here drag this and drop this widget in this section. So now let us customize this. So this is very easy, creating this element is very easy. Now let us customize. I will show you how to customize it. This is a, get back to our first content, trending today, and you can change this text here, trending today or important news. Okay, or you can keep it important news, or you can also just white. I would like to have white color here, otherwise, yes, that's great. Now see, I want to change this text. You can keep it important news or latest update, or updates. Okay, latest update or updates. So you have to keep something that really crazy for your visitors, okay, and that you know the that catches their eyes, their attention. So that sort of text you have to keep it here. Yes, then yeah, latest updates, that's fine. And this is a post, okay, WordPress post, that comes okay, that comes in default. And if I have not created any posts on my website, that's why it is not showing. But defaultly, when you install WordPress, they will give it will come up with a default WordPress blog, and this is what it is. Then let us change the background color for this tag style. Okay, background color, you can keep it red. Oh great. Okay, red color, latest updates. And you can also change the typography of this text. Okay, you can select Arial, okay, or open sans open sans open sans. Okay, I like open sans and Arial. And you can increase the text, I mean font size, you can decrease it, but I think it is 18 pixels. I think it is 18 pixels, and that's fine to me. And weight is default, and you can make it bold. You can make it bold like that, and you can change it to default one, or you can make it normal. Okay, and transform the text, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize. If you click on uppercase, then all the text will be converted, I mean transformed into uppercase letters, lowercase, and see, capitalize. Okay, fine, that's great. And decoration means underline. Okay, line through means like this deleted one option, but we don't want that. Okay, we want default, that's fine. And you can change the background color for this area also. All you have to do is get back to ticker content and background color, and you can change it. Yeah, so that's how you can change it. But white is looking good at this moment. And you can keep this pagination controls, or you can hide them, that's your wish. Okay, and you can change the speed of at which this text is scrolling from left to right or right to left. Okay, that is also you can do. Typographic, content style, tag style, let me get back. Yes, dynamic, light, dynamic. Okay, ticker type, dynamic, latest updates, dynamic content settings. Yes, I want post as my source. And okay, I want post per page is 4. Okay, I can control the number of posts I can show on my content ticker or new scrolling widget. Yes, order by date, order by descending, animation, go to animation, visible items 1, and items gap is 10, slider speed is 400 second. Because no, this is not 400 seconds, sorry, this is 400 microseconds. And let us keep it. Yes, this is really cool. Slowly, isn't it? So it grabs the attention. it grabs the attention. Okay, auto speed for, let me increase this one, this one. Oh, 2, and here I think keeping it 500. Yes, slider speed. And we can also reduce it. Sorry, let me keep it at 200. Let's see what happens. Oh, 600. Okay, it's cool. Okay, effect slide or fade. Yes, slide enough. Auto speed is to 2000 microseconds, and slider speed is 600 microseconds. And now let's get back to our tag style is over, and arrows. Okay, you can hide the pagination controls. I think we can hide it. Okay, we can delete this. I think we can delete this. Okay, we can increase or decrease the size of this pagination controls. So this is, friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the like button and bell button so that you will be updated with my latest posts and sorry so that you will be updated with my latest videos and latest news. Thank you. I love you.